Go.
Hi guys, my name is Ashley Smith. Today is March 15th, 2021. It is 1:04 a.m. Today we're going to be discussing the endocrine system and the location, structure, and function of a few organs within the endocrine system. We're going to start with the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is a pea-sized structure located at the base of the brain, just below the hypothalamus, which is attached via nerve fibers. Part of the endocrine system produces critical hormones, which are chemical substances that control various body functions. The posterior pituitary, also known as the neurohypophysis, that stores hormones produced by the hypothalamus, ADH and oxytocin. We have the anterior pituitary, also known as the adenohypophysis. Secretions are regulated by releasing hormones from the hypothalamus. You have your growth hormone, your TSH, AC, TSH, prolactin, FSH, and LH. We're going to go into the thyroid gland that is located on the front and sides of the trachea, just below the larynx. That is a butterfly-shaped organ located at the base of your neck that releases hormones that control our metabolism, the way your body uses energy, and that secretes thyroxine and calcitonin. Our adrenal glands are on the top of each kidney and has an inner adrenal medulla and an outer adrenal cortex, known as the suprarenal glands. They're small triangular shaped glands that's located above both kidneys, that produces hormones to help regulate your metabolism, immune system, our blood pressure, our response to stress, and other essential functions that's needed. We're gonna start with the adrenal medulla that produces catecholamines in a stressful situation, that helps with our fight or flight responses and secretes norepinephrine and epinephrine. Our adrenal cortex that produces mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids, and sex hormones, aldosterone and cortisol. We have our endocrine, that portion of the pancreas that extends from the curvature of the duodenum to the spleen. The islet of Langerhans contains alpha cells and beta cells. We have glucagon that's secreted by the alpha cells, and insulin that's secreted by the beta cells. And we also have the somatostatin that is secreted as well. The relationship between the hypothalamus, hypophysis, and other glands. The hypothalamus and the pituitary gland are endocrine glands of the human body. That the hypothalamus is the small area of the brain, which is located below the thalamus. The pituitary gland is located just below the hypothalamus, and the hypothalamus regulates the function of the pituitary gland. This is the relationship that we have between the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. Let's see what else. The important, or the reason that to differentiate between primary, secondary, and tertiary endocrine disorders. The primary disorders originate in the target organ, The secondary disorder originates in the pituitary, causing a problem in the target organ. And the tertiary disorder originates in the hypothalamus and causes a problem in both the pituitary gland and also the target organ. This is typically used to correctly diagnose and treat most disorders. And that's it. Thank you.